Hi guys, my name's Sean from ConceptChemicals and welcome to another debunking session. One of the questions that we frequently get asked about, it's about traffic film removers. Why do we have so many traffic film removers in our range? The simple answer is, obviously as a manufacturer of chemicals, we operate globally, so different markets, different climates require different products to tackle the different or varying levels of traffic film remover and chemicals and road fallout differently. So if I look at traffic film removers, a lot of things at the moment are high visual impact, eye foaming products or snow foam types of things. So we've actually got a snow foam in the range. So let's not get confused about it. A snow foam is actually a traffic film remover. So it falls into the traffic film removal category. So when we look at traffic film removers, the Concept traffic film removers, our most aggressive traffic film remover is a product called Delta 50. Now, Delta 50 it's a pH 13.5 on the alkalinity scale, and it's actually loaded with caustic. So the caustic actually boosts the cleaning function as well as the IPH level. So that's an ideal product if you were after a cost-effective product that will deliver you very, very good dilution rates, or if you are after a product that will deliver out-and-out cleaning function. So Delta 50, if you've got something that's really, really heavily soiled, that is the product, your go-to product, yeah? 13.5 on the alkalinity scale, and it's loaded with caustic to boost the cleaning function. As its name suggests, Delta 50, you can dilute the product anything from 1 to 49 as a dilution rate. When you look at traffic film removers in general, the rule for concentration, the more concentrated the product is, doesn't necessarily mean that the product is actually going to be a better cleaner. You end up with lots more soap, which actually counteracts the cleaning function. So Delta 50, 13.5 loaded with caustic. Then the next product that we've got in the range is a product called Delta Force 2000. Again, it's 13.5. It contains a little bit of caustic, but this one's got a renewable plant extract in it, so that's how it differs from the Delta 50. The cleaning function isn't quite as good. The dilution rates are not quite as good, but it's a middle-of-the-road traffic film removal, or a traffic film remover for medium to light soilage. Then we can move along the traffic film remover scale, so we can move on to a super eye foam. So super eye foam is a snow foam, yeah, but it falls into the traffic film removal category. So this particular product is a pH 13. These things are very, very fashionable at the moment, primarily because when people drive past a cleaning bay that's actually got a car covered in snow foam, they actually think that the product is actually doing something extraordinary. All it's doing is actually appealing to you. From my perspective, when it falls into the traffic film remover, I've given you two, Delta 50, Delta 2000. So the cleaning function, although this is still quite an high pH level, it's not loaded with caustic. The foam blanket, to a certain extent, interferes with the cleaning function. So if it's out and out cleaning, then you would go with the other two options. If it's a visual impact that you're looking to portray, then this is the go-to product from a snow foam blanket scenario. Then we move across to a product called Delta Force Nano. So as I've lined the products up, you can see now that we're starting to fall down in the alkalinity scale. So Delta Force plus Nano is a pH 12.75 on the alkalinity scale. So this product's slightly different from the others with the fact that this has actually it contains wax. So this is the product that's actually got all the bells and whistles. So the cleaning function isn't quite as good as the Delta 50 and the Delta 2000, but what this one does, it actually leaves you with a wax finish to the surface. So this one will actually get your car from the workshop in a better condition, should we say, from a wax perspective or visual impact, because it's going to make your surface areas look nice and glossy, probably than the previous Deltas. So this one is caustic free. yeah, but it contains wax. So if you've got light soilage, this is probably a go-to product because there's no need to necessitate shampooing after you've done the pre-wash. So Delta Force Nano, the product with all the bells and whistles. So, and then finally we move on to a product called Typhoon. So Typhoon is a new formulation. We've improved the formulation to clean, so it actually, we've boosted the cleaning function. So this particular product on the alkalinity scale is a pH 10. And this is a product that's actually safe because it doesn't contain the caustic, a little bit like the Delta Force Nano. So this is a much safer product to use on your car, your new car, or your car with all the recycled plastics nowadays that look chrome. This is a product that you can throw all over the car and it's not going to run the risk of damaging anything. So again, the cleaning function is very, very good. A pH 10, but this is your go-to product if you are looking for safety in your cleaning program from a traffic film removal perspective. So there you have it, guys. Those are your traffic film removers in the Concept range. We've obviously got IPH ones dropping down to just above pH neutral. We've got products that are loaded with caustic to boost the cleaning function. And we've obviously got products as we come down the alkalinity scale with little or no caustic, just to keep your car nice and safe when you actually clean them. So go-to product for safety, bells and whistles products with the waxers, a visual impact product with the Super iFoam, the foam blanket, the snow foam, and then you've got two out-and-out cleaning products in the Delta 50 and the Delta Force 2000 for medium to heavily soil contaminated vehicles. Delta 50, let me just add on the Delta 50 front, the Delta 50 is my go-to product when it comes to commercial cleaning. So that's trucks and that type of thing where you were looking at heavily soiled with grease and grime. This is the product that will actually remove those particular contaminants, and it'll remove them very, very efficiently. So those are your ConceptChemicals traffic film removers. So if you've got any comments about traffic film removers, put them in the comments section below. If you indeed want us to look at other products to do comparisons or give you introductions to, put them in the comments below. We welcome that. Failing that, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we will see you very, very soon for another debunking.